Welcome to the NorthOps Fire Weather Webcast for Monday, November 4th, 2019. This morning's water vapor loop shows strong high pressure in the eastern Pacific and onto the west coast. A light general northwest to north flow remains over the NorthOps region. The visible loop shows mostly clear skies across the region. Cold air settling in canyons in northwestern California overnight led to patchy low stratus, but only a little due to the very dry air mass in place. A northwest to southeast jet stream is bringing cloud cover to the northern Great Basin and Rockies. Forecast model graphics for today show a strong high pressure ridge over the eastern Pacific and onto the west coast. The pattern will change very little through Sunday. Warm and dry conditions will prevail throughout the NorthOps region. Afternoon temperatures will be 10 to 15 degrees warmer than average. Mornings will be cold, especially in valleys and drainage bottoms. Winds will be very light during afternoons, with light upslope conditions inland and light onshore flow conditions at lower elevations in areas with a coastal influence. These winds, combined with very stable conditions and very shallow vertical mixing, will lead to poor smoke dispersion conditions each day. During nights and mornings, light downslope down valley winds will gust to 15 to 25 miles an hour in the typical areas on the western Cascade Sierra slopes and in the Sacramento Valley and foothills. The most wind-prone spots will have stronger gusts. The ridgetops in far northwestern California will have periods of northeast gusts to 25 miles an hour over the next several days. Minimum afternoon humidity in many inland areas will be 10 to 20% each day. Little to no overnight humidity recovery is expected on inland mid and upper slopes each night. The NorthOps 7-day product shows low to moderate risk conditions throughout the period. Very dry conditions will prevail, but without any significant weather triggers. The SouthOps area remains very dry as well, with a moderate risk of significant fire development. Now the NorthOps fire weather summary. High pressure will produce warm and very dry conditions this week. General winds will be very light. However, north to northeast winds will be gusty during nights and mornings in the most wind-prone spots. Smoke dispersion conditions will be very poor.